Hello there, Huskies. This is your principal, Dr. Ramirez, reaching out to everyone and saying, great job on your virtual distance learning. Students here at Henderson are doing such a great job every day as they log in with their teachers in their new virtual distance learning classrooms. Boys and girls are being respectful, responsible, safe, and ready to learn. Here at Henderson, we follow PAWS. That's right, boys and girls. Personal best, act responsible, work and play safely, show respect every day. Here at Henderson, we are responsible, respectful, and safe. And to acknowledge boys and girls that are doing such a great job, we are now doing Student of the Week. Boys and girls, we have some pictures of students receiving awards and prizes. Last week was our first time recognizing those students. So continue, boys and girls, to do a great job because we're still looking for those of you that are always doing great things when you're distance learning at all times, making sure that you're following the distance learning expectations, being respectful, responsible, safe as well. We want to remind boys and girls, thank you so much for being so very patient with teachers and as well as all of our staff here at Henderson as we work to make virtual distance learning even better. I love the way teachers are super positive, always reaching out to boys and girls. And boys and girls, thank you for being so very patient as well. We love the way boys and girls are asking for clarification if they're not sure, if they're having a problem with something. Boys and girls, thank you so much as you ask for help. Teachers are checking for understanding, making sure that everyone is doing exactly what they need to be doing. And we love everyone's positive attitude and continued focus to make sure that we're always learning, even while we are distance learning here at Henderson. So don't forget, keep up the great work. You're doing a great job, Huskies, and we love Henderson Huskies. Keep up the great work, and don't forget, boys and girls, every day's a choice. Make it a great one.